Deep web? Dark web? What are they? Are they one and the same? The answer is no, they are not the same. Internet is an enormous world of interconnected networks. This huge cyber world can be classified into three sections: the surface web, the deep web, and the dark web. Based on the popular iceberg theory, only 4% of the internet is surface web. Around 96% is the deep web, and only about 0.01% is the dark web. Deep web is the portion of the internet that are not indexed. That is, they are not accessible via a search engine. The contents of the deep web are mostly similar to that of the surface web. But a wall that separates the surface web and the deep web prevents the general public from accessing certain web pages and documents. Knowingly or unknowingly, everybody uses deep web services in their day-to-day life. Surprised? Let's see how. Do you have an email account? Or do you have a cloud storage like Google Drive or an online banking portal? Just imagine what would happen if everybody could access your Gmail account simply by Googling it. Things will get much worse if a simple Google search would bring up your online banking portal. So these pages are intentionally kept away from the search engines and are protected by passwords. In order to access it, one will need correct URL and special permissions. Such web pages creates the deep web. Deep web also includes library archives, corporate databases, private social media accounts, and much more that are restricted from public access. Even your Google Drive is part of the deep web. Others can see the contents of your drive only if they follow a particular link or address, not just by Googling. So, it is clear that deep web is a harmless place and is extremely important for protecting our privacy and personal info. But if the deep web is so clean, then where are all the drugs, weapons, and hackers? Now that's the dark web. In the next video, I will show you the dark face of the internet. The dark web. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this.